Hey everyone, if you're playing Metal Gear Solid Delta Snake Eater and the sound is not working, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to fix all audio issues in the game. Let's get started. Solution 1. First, open the Start menu and type in Control Panel. Once it opens, click on Hardware and Sound. Then, click on Sound. In this window, make sure your speakers or headphones are set as the default device. Just select it and click on Set Default. This ensures the game sends audio to the right device. Solution 2. Right-click your audio device and select Properties. Go to the Levels tab. Here, make sure your volume slider isn't set too low. Sometimes the sound isn't broken, it's just turned down. Solution 3. In the same Properties window, open the Advanced tab. Under Default Format, set the bitrate to 48 kHz or 44.1 kHz. Then press Apply and click OK. This refreshes how Windows processes your audio. Solution 4. Go to the Spatial Sound tab. Set it to Off. Disable Spatial Sound. Press Apply, then OK. Some games don't work properly with Spatial Sound enabled, so turning it off can fix the issue. Solution 5. Open the Start menu again and type Device Manager. Expand Audio Inputs and Outputs. Right-click your audio device and select Properties. Go to the Driver tab and click on Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers. Windows will look for the latest driver update and install it if available. Solution 6. If updating didn't help, go back to the Driver tab. Click on Browse My Computer for drivers. Then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Choose your audio driver. Click Next and let it reinstall. Finally, restart your PC to apply the changes. And that's it. After trying these solutions, the sound in Metal Gear Solid Delta Snake Eater should be working again. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future fixes. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the game.